Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And this is Did He Just Say That? This is going to be a long series on the events of 9/11. 9/11 will be here again in about 15 days. And of course now lots of videos are up, lots of investigations have been going on since that day. And these are all basically private investigations, private organizations that have been doing investigations since that day. For us who didn't lose friends, family, and relatives, it's basically just another day. And of course, those who did and were there, it's a daily situation, especially when 9/11 is brought up. Well, just a couple of weeks ago, I really started thinking about 9/11. And one of the facts that came to me, as far as what I know, I was in the Navy for 16 years. My specialty were airplanes. And the fact that the jet fuel, in my mind, when I started thinking about it, as far as I'm concerned, could not have brought down that building. Could not have. For one, there's no way it would have got hot enough. Then I started watching some videos and listening to some specialists, engineers, and people in the know. And they agreed the fact that the fuel could not have brought those buildings down. The structures with the planes going in did damage the upper floors, but the planes, in my own mind, I don't believe they would have brought it down. And coming down as perfect as they did, as you would have a controlled demolition. I got thinking about it, and I started watching other videos on the subject. And other videos agree with me. So, with that said, we've been lied to. I don't like being lied to. And I didn't have any family, friends, or relatives, and I wasn't there. The effect on that, after I got out of the service, and I'd been out 5 years, made me, after that, decide to join my local fire department. And I was a member for 13 years. And every 9/11 we would pay our respects and again go back on with life. Well, I've continued to do more research, and that's basically what this video is going to be about. Basically, it's just going to be airing my views and thoughts and going through different videos of, again, private engineers and people in the know. Because as I've gone through it, I like, did he just say that? and that's where this is about. So I hope you'll join me, check out what I've got to say, make comments, good or bad, and for those that are watching that were there, family members and friends of, I hope you'll comment, because I'm finding more and more that we were lied to, even within the government. Even when I found out the fact that there's no way that an aircraft should have even hit the Pentagon, because of the fact that there are flights hourly flying around our Pentagon and you don't know they're there. How in the world would an aircraft have hit the Pentagon? There's just no way. And then I saw the video stating that those flights were sent on a goose chase, and that opened up the door. Why? So I have a lot of whys myself, and I'm searching those whys, and that's what these will be on here. So again, thanks for watching. Please comment and definitely subscribe, and we'll catch you again on, did he just say that?